9 years ago, our good friends, Ted and Nancy, called us down to their house. Excuse me. And asked us if we would like to see the litter of puppies. Max, come on back here, Max. Max? Max. Come on back, Max. Anyway, the litter had 6 puppies in it. And I had 3 daughters, Emily, Elizabeth, and Ellison. That's with an E. They're all E names. Anyway, they said it would be great to have a dog for each one of our children. So this is Max. He is the stud of dachshunds. This is Maddie. Maddie is kind of like the spa dog. She'll lay down and do her nails, lay on her back. She's pretty cool. And then this one is Millie. Millie's the peacemaker. Millie is the one who will just be the kindest, the sweetest. She was probably the smallest, too. So anyway, so here we have Millie. Hi, Millie. We have Max. Hi, Max. Max. Say hello. Say hello, Max. Max. Hello. Now look at that tail. Just go wag, 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 wag. He is funny as can be. And then, of course, Madeline just lays there. Now, the girl that she belongs to is Elizabeth, or AKA Libby. And Libby's personality is pretty much like Maddie's. 16-year-old teenage girl and a 9-year-old puppy. They've kind of grown up together. Max is my 17-year-old daughter's dog, and their personalities... Oh, I take that back. She's Ellie's dog. Ellie is our dog parent that is feisty and everything that Max is. Hey, Max, come on back here. Come back. Come on, Max. Come on, Max. She's like my daughter too. He doesn't listen. Come on, hey, Max. Max, come on back. Here, puppy. Come on. Now watch him. He just kind of meanders back, and he's kind of fun. And so, anyway, I just wanted to introduce you to the dogs. Hey, Millie. And Millie is like the 17-year-old. And she's the peacemaker, and so is my 17-year-old, who's a senior in high school. So here we have the 3 dogs, all out of the same litter. And they are as funny as can be. The tails wag just constantly. Matter of fact, almost all the time. And then they see something, a bird. They see a kid walking down the street, or a parent, or somebody, and they just go barking. We got the invisible fence. And the invisible fence keeps them from going outside our yard. So anyway, that's enough for today, but these are our dogs.